Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this Creative Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to create rounded table borders in Word for modern and professional look documents design. Although Microsoft Word does not provide a direct rounded table border button, this tutorial will show you smart tricks to create the rounded border effect easily using shapes and formatting tools. So let's get started. At first, I go down on my document. Now I need a rounded table, corner table. Go to the insert menu, click the table and create a table. Now I am resize the table size. You can make your any size. Then select the whole table cell, go to the design menu, click the border drop down menu and choose the outside border. Remove the outside border. Here not available, direct the outside border. I am delete on one by one, left, right and top down. Now we can see here not the outside border. Go to the insert menu, click the shape drop down menu, choose the rounded rectangle, then draw a rectangle shape size like the table. Select the shape, go to the format menu, click the fill option, choose no fill, then click shape outline, make it black and go back again and change the white. Make the white like the table, then zoom in this document and make the size. Then select the multiple shapes and make it group. Go to the layout menu and make it group. Now we can see we make the table rounded shape. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.